Hi friends, it's Julia. Today is day number 11, y'all. Flying by. Anywho, so this sketch was created by Natalie Turcotte Cloudsdale. And so it was a 3-photo sketch, and I do have 3 photos. I have these 3 here. And so I plan to use these papers in my background and this as my almost a shelf, if you will, and making it 2 spots here and here. There's room for text on this side of the photo and room for text on this side of the photo, and then it shows the title over top. I don't know how I'm going to work that. I pulled in a ton of embellishments to use, so I don't know if I'm going to make one of these clusters a title and sticker cluster, or make them both partial title on each one. I don't know yet. So I pulled out this alphabet for that pale pink color. I pulled in chipboard pieces here and here, flat stickers, puffy stickers, and lots of labels. I figure I'm going to layer a lot of these up to do some journaling on. Anywho, we'll see. Let me show you a close-up of the sketch, and then I will be back to show you what I have created. Okay friends, I am done with layout number 11. Now the product that I did not use was this. That was the only thing that I had pulled in and didn't use. I did pull in a sheet of white 8.5 by 11 cardstock in order to map my photos on. I just wanted to have them a little bit to stand out just a little bit from the background, since it feels kind of busy. These are all the offcuts of the paper that I used. I have a couple of pieces left over. I have this larger piece left over, and the cutoffs and the edging from the papers that I used. Anywho, those will go back into my stash to continue using. I did use this Felicity Jane alphabet. All the letters that I needed were on this one. I didn't have to get into the other 2 that I have. Sticker wise, for the labels, I used a ton from here. I finished the last one on here, and then I used at least one from each page of those stickers. Doesn't that always feel like an accomplishment when you can get stuff like that done? This set of stickers, I keep them together. I used 1 sticker from here and then a couple of stickers from here. I did use, these are Felicity Jane, and I did use one of the bows. It was more of a peachy tone. This is white and pink, and then a peachy tone. I used these glitter blings from Eyelet Outlet, and these puffy dots from Felicity Jane. I used Pink Fresh. Some days I used the smaller chipboard shapes, and then the puffy shapes as well. I also used, tool-wise, I used my Fisker scallop punch that had the little dot in the center. And here is the layout that I created. Now it's a little bit different than I originally had thought I was going to do it, but this is okay. I thought I was going to use these border pieces as a shelf in the middle, but then I thought the outside of the sketch itself, it looked like a band going around it, and I think I may do some stitching around the edges, but I'm not 100% certain that I want to get into that on such short periods, you know, to complete this challenge this month. Anywho, so I'm going to leave it here for now, but when the challenge is done, before this gets put away, I may come back through and put some stitching, or I may just leave it alone. I have not put in my journaling yet. I wanted to talk to my niece and see if she wants me to say anything specifically, so we'll see, I guess. Anywho, thanks for watching today. I will have close-ups of the embellishment clusters at the end of the video if you're interested. If you haven't already and you would like to see the other layouts that I am creating with this during this series, feel free to hit that subscribe button, and if you hit the notification button, then YouTube will let you know whenever I upload a video. It should pop up on your feed anyway, if you're subscribed. Anyway, guys, I appreciate you being here, and I will see you for tomorrow's layout. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.